we are ready. First of all, Carsten is going to say a little something.
Thank you very much for this very overwhelming input of how to record and bringing stuff. Initially, when Björn and I was planning what should we do about Shootout, we have tried so many things, and some things has been tried more than once. We think, why not try something completely different? And we were not sure what people would come up with. So we have thought maybe we should put up a mixer and set up a few microphones, and you could get some lineouts. And we could see when people start coming in with what they want to bring, we had completely to reorganize what our thoughts was. And I have never imagined the amount of microphones and gears and ideas and efforts putting into making a recording session like we had last night. It was really overwhelming. I'm very happy about that. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay, as Carsten just said, this shootout is quite different from previous shootouts. And it's going to be less easy to compare the participants, or you can say it another way, the difference are going to be huge, even in the source material, because it will be different excerpts from the music from last night. So you could say it in a third way, that picking your source material, or the part of the music you're going to play, is part of your strategy. Pick something that people will like, because as always you're going to vote for the participant you like the most. That's the way it goes. This is the scheme. We start with 4 quarterfinals, 2 semifinals and a final. So it's only 7 matches, which is good because the logistics of this is going to be slightly worse than usual. We'll need some time to queue up and move cables and stuff like that. But of course you guys have prepared online, I know that. So you have everything lined up. It will only take you 10 seconds to queue up the track. No. Okay. Take it easy. Take it easy. We will give you time. We will give you time. To the rest of you, please, during the waiting time, it's of course allowed to chit chat to the next guy, but keep it down, because otherwise we are also going to spend 1 minute to get you to shut up again before we press play, and then we're going to miss the auction tonight. Yeah? We don't want to do that.
And switch off the phone.
Switch off the phones? Yeah. I didn't think I had to say that, but yes. Turn them off. The way we are going to do it is the ABBA, as you know. That one of the pieces of music that we listened to yesterday was for all the participants known as the mandatory piece to record. So one of the pieces in each match will be an excerpt from the mandatory piece. That was the second piece, I think, from the concert in each half. Yeah. So first, participant A will play something from the mandatory piece. Participant B will play something from the mandatory piece. Participant B again will play something from free choice. And then participant A also a free choice. Okay? Is everything clear to the participants?
Yeah.
Okay. Each participant is going to operate his own playback equipment. That also will, of course, reveal who's playing. No way around that. Okay? Good. And I had made a draw, because first we thought we would divide it into 2, and 4 would record the first half and 4 would record the second half. That wasn't necessary. There were not that many microphones. So we're making a new draw right now, and Carsten is going to be our lady of fortune.
Very unfortunate.
Who's here?
Frank Schröder.
Check. And who's here?
And next one will be Rajan.
Is it possible to describe the basic microphone setup with each, so that we know which is the Jacqueline or at least afterwards?
Afterwards, yes. When we get to here, yes, we can. Yep.
And that one is Stefan Lützer. Jan Dipp. And Lars and a guy called Björn. And Andreas Schwarz.
One straight to the second
And
round.
Mr. from France.
Switzerland.
Switzerland, sorry.
All tape machine were from Switzerland.
And well, that's what it's made of.
Yeah, okay. And we start from the top. So, the first match will be between Frank Schröder and Arjen.
Where is the connection?
I will put that right there. Okay. One more thing.
was wireless.
One more thing. After the final, before the prize ceremony, we will play one more track. That will be a reality check. I'll say no more right now. Okay? So,
I have a feeling.
now you know it.